and I am quite disappointed, but we gotta move on. So I did get this beauty in the mail a little bit ago. I was not planning on wearing her because her wallet is still back ordered. Yeah, I'm kind of sad, but this is how it came out of the box. You guys know sometimes I can keep the box, sometimes I can't. So this was an instance I just had to take her out of the box to check to see if the wallet was in there, and of course it wasn't. And then I get a notification it's back order. So send me my wallet, Dooney. Like, send me in my wallet. So it kind of seems like I'm having a lot of issues with my bag purchases. As you guys can see, this bag, Dooney, what is this? What is that? Now I'm going to have to worry about that. Why would you send? They taped it so tight. And we're gonna get into it. But yeah, this has so much tape on it, guys. But this is the Dooney and Bourke Large Domed Satchel. Yes, get into it. In the color taupe. It's in taupe, guys. Not really, you know, this is a new color for me. It did come with, actually, that's the Dooney and Bourke, this bag, the dust bag. Oh, it actually does have stickers. I put them in here, guys. I got quite a few stickers, and that's one. It came with like a rainbowed one, but I love this bag. This is a nice bag. Dooney, we like this bag, okay? Dooney, come on, this bag. The other ones are okay, but this one just seems like top tier quality. So, got my scissors here, guys, and we're going to definitely cut in this area where it's all bunched up and overly taped. That has me worried, because why would they overly tape that area? And who signed off in allowing someone to do that to the handle? Like, seriously. So, the bag is open, and of course, I'm worried about those handles. Whoa. It's a little to the lean, but it bounced back. And I think with some manipulating, they're going to be okay. Look at this, guys. Dang, I was trying to be cool. Look at that. Does have feet? Oh yeah. I'm liking this. And this does have the price tag on there if you guys wanted to see. I did not pay that price, please. I don't know if that's just not stuffing. Yeah, I think that's because it's not stuffed there. Oh, look at that. I love the DB. I think, will this be cute there, guys? Oh, that is cool. Okay, yeah. Let's finish unboxing it. And I think you guys call this leather the glove tanned leather. You know, I'm trying to stick or keep up with the verbiage. So I don't brown to me. But I really like this color. It like goes with everything. Okay. We like to see that this is covered. I'm surprised this the little zipper pulls did not have it. So that has me, you know, a little, okay. Very nice. Let's see. That's where my hand stops on that pocket, so definitely could fit my iPhone 11 Pro Max. There is some rippling in the zipper, if you guys can see that. So, and I think that's the side where it was taped really tight and right in that area. So we're going to unzip her. Pretty good zipper. Okay. Everything's wrapped how I like it. Oh. Dooney, thank you. I appreciate it. So that's 2 dust bags. Thank you. That's a very nice treat. Okay, and it has the really light interior. It's like a canvas fabric material. And is that a leather? Nope. And this is actually fabric as well too. It just has the to register your Dooney, which I would do. So you have your zipper pocket, another slip pocket, which is pretty deep, and then you have just one big zipper. Okay, this is nice. So undo this off of the key keeper. I save all the stuffing, so we're gonna put all that stuffing in the dust bag. This looks like it's 3-piece. Yes, it is. It has 3 pieces, 3 sections, so you can make it a shoulder bag, crossbody. We're gonna put the strap on for shits and giggles, even though I'm not going to wear it like that, because I like top handle or the crook of my arm. So, yes. So let's put my stuff in it. And I'm not pleased with the handle, so with some wear, we're going to have to figure it out. So first, we're going to, I do have a matching wallet. It's a pebbled, like, flat wallet, but we're going to put this one in, because this is what I have. I'm going to stuff that in. We're going to keep with the Dooney theme and keep my Kiss Lock, my feminine hygiene products, my eyeglass case. Oh yeah, this has tons of room. Tons of room. I feel like that's not even going to touch. I put my hand sanitizer, my deodorant, my lotion, my name tag, my pack of gum.
Down the pack of gum.
Honey, shh, I'm doing a video. My pen, which, you know what? I'm going to keep my pens in here.
That's mine. You already have it.
Back up.
I'll take a video with ya.
Not right now.
Why?
Because I'm just going to put it in there for now.
Can I have a piece of gum?
Go back downstairs, please.
Yes, Mommy.
What's Wyatt doing? Sleeping?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. My gum. And my kid's mask. We're gonna put in the zipper pocket. And baby, there's a lot more room in here. I'm gonna flip this. Honey, please go downstairs. Okay, so this is how we're looking. We're gonna put my that there. And I really love Pebbled. I think it's like one of my favorite leathers. It's so durable and it's easy to clean, and it's just, you don't have to worry about it. So I am loving that. Woo! So let's see how she looks on the inside. So yeah, I have her quite a bit of things in there, but baby, you could fit so much more in here. Like so much more. You could put a bottle of water. You could put a lot more stuff in here. Especially there's nothing at the top. So, and I don't have my phone, but my phone would definitely, I don't know if I would put it in here just so there wouldn't be, I would probably keep things flat. I could put my gum, but it could definitely fit in the zipper compartment or this other one. It could definitely fit there where my gum's at. So yes, I like the key keeper. My keys, I don't have my keys right now, but I do attach them and they would sit really nice on the top. So we're going to zip her up. Okay, this is how she's looking. Very nice, very nice. Feet on the bottom. Very nice. There's some cracking on the bottom. We're going to attach this. So let's see. I want it to attach it to the top, not to the side. Oh, there we go. Just because I like the furry in the front. Let's do that. Just playing with it, guys. There we go. I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit. But that is the bag. Give you some up close shots. But this is the bag I'm going to be carrying for a while after that fossil fiasco. So here we are. This is the Dooney and Bourke Large Domed Satchel in the color taupe. Hopefully I'll do a kind of a review on the bag when I get the wallet, but for now, here she is. Oh, she feels so good. Nice and soft, but durable. Like, very durable. Love it, love it, love it. If you like this video, please rate, comment, and subscribe. And you guys have a blessed day. Peace.